EA1920OP2 is an outdoor foldable LED poster display featuring a space-saving, double-sided design and equipped with casters for easy mobility. It supports multi-screen splicing, boasts a high refresh rate of 3840 Hz, and holds an IP65 waterproof rating, making it suitable for a wide range of outdoor events and displays. The unit utilizes a quick-release rear cover design, ensuring convenient and efficient rear maintenance. Equipped with various interfaces, including USB 3, HDMI, Ethernet ports, and volume controls, EA1920OP2 foldable LED poster display can be folded to approximately half its size, significantly enhancing transport and storage efficiency. Its double-sided display supports independent playback or seamless splicing into a large screen, offering flexibility for various outdoor commercial applications.